Hi everyone, Ushma this side and welcome back to the channel. The news has broken that Apple and Google are in talks to integrate Google's Gemini AI engine into the iPhone. According to the report from Bug News, this could be a significant move, potentially bringing groundbreaking new features to iPhone software later this year. Details are still scarce, leaving many questions unanswered about how this AI integration will work and what it will entail. The little idea has generated a lot of excitement in the tech community, like how they are going to make this AI blend into the iPhone or what it's going to look like. But just the idea aside of it has people buzzing around, news has sent shockwaves through the stock market, with Alphabet shares leaping by over 6% and the Apple stock climbing by 2.5%. The anticipation is palpable and the tech world is on the edge of its seat, expecting an official announcement perhaps in June at Apple's annual developer conference. Adding intrigue, Apple has been flirting with the idea of integrating OpenAI's ChatGPT into its ecosystem, signaling a major shift towards embracing advanced AI capabilities. But before moving further, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join us the AI Tool Workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Science from Apple, Google, from OpenAI only fuels the speculation and excitement. This partnership could enhance Google AI services to Apple's enormous user base of over 2 billion active devices. It has a game-changer potential, propelling Google ahead in the AI race against Microsoft-backed OpenAI and soothing the nerves of investors concerned about Apple's slow pace in rolling out AI applications. At the heart of this potential collaboration is a long-standing alliance between Apple and Google, with the Google already entrenched as the default search engine on Apple's Safari web browser. This new venture into AI could further cement Alphabet's dominance in the search amidst rising fears that AI services like ChatGPT could upend its supremacy. However, this deal might also attract closer scrutiny from US regulators, who have previously accused Google of stifling competition in search by leveraging its lucrative arrangement with the Apple's Daniel Ives of Wedbush. Sees this as a pivot in Apple's AI strategy, marrying Apple innovation with the Google's Gemini to create something truly spectacular. This partnership could be a windfall for licensing fee, given Google's recent partnership with the Samsung to integrate Geminis into the Galaxy S24 series. And this move with Apple signifies a significant stride in Google's ambition to dominate AI technology deployment. Tim Cook, Apple CEO, hinted last month a significant investment in generative AI, with the plans to unveil about these ventures later this year. While Apple aims to harness its in-house AI models for some features in upcoming iOS 18, it is also eyeing a partner to supercharge its generative AI capabilities, from creating mesmerizing images to writing essay based on simple prompt. This opens up a universe of possibilities for iPhone users, transforming the device into a powerhouse of creativity and intelligence. The prospect of Apple and Google joining forces to integrate Gemini into the iPhone marks a thrilling chapter in smartphone evolution. This isn't just about the feature, it's about the redefining what a smartphone can do, pushing the envelope of technology and enhancing our daily lives with the AI limitless potential. The buzz around this deal is a testament to the transformative power of AI and the vision of two tech giants coming together to explore uncharted territories. As we await more details on this collaboration, the excitement continues to build. What new AI-powered features will this partnership bring iPhone? How will this reshape the way we interact with other devices? The data are endless, and anticipation is just the beginning of this venture. Apple and Google promises to unlock the new horizons and open up the new dimensions of creativity and efficiency in the tech world, where innovation is the currency. This potential partnership is a bold statement of intent from Apple and Google. It signifies a leap towards a future where AI is not just an added feature but a fundamental aspect of our digital experience. All right, Do not forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for tuning in, and well, we catch you in the next one. This was Ushma signing off until next time.